Hello and welcome to the basic Zoom basics. This morning I'll just take you through the basics of Zoom and show you the way to sign in if you don't know how to sign in. So to start with, there are two ways to access Zoom. The first is on the browser, as you can see, on the internet browser. So you can use any internet browser, so you can use any internet browser that you are using. The second way to access Zoom is using the Zoom application itself. This is what it looks like. You may already know or have seen this application. Let's go back to the browser. There are a few things that I'd like to show you. First of all, when you have a Zoom invitation, there is an option to join meeting right here. So you click on join a meeting, and it opens a window that looks like this, which allows you to put in the meeting ID or the link name for the meeting. You put in the ID and you click on the join button, and it will ask you to there is a meeting ID that I've already copied. I'll just put it in, and then you click on join. Zoom will then ask you if it should open this Zoom application. So this is what this window means. Open Zoom meetings. This is what it means to open this application. So if you click on that, it will open Zoom, the meeting, using the application itself. Otherwise, you can cancel and launch the meeting from here, and the meeting will not open in the Zoom application. It will open in the web browser. Okay, let's go back. The second thing that I'd like for you to see is host a meeting, the host a meeting option. This will require for you to already have a Zoom account. So you can host a Zoom meeting with your video on, with your video off, or you can just share your screen without going into the nitty-gritties of Zoom. We won't go into that. You can play around with it and see how it works. The third option that we won't do now, we'll come back to it just now, is sign in. When you click on that, it allows you to sign into Zoom. This assumes that you already have a Zoom license or a Zoom account. If you do, you can use your email address to log in, type in the password that you chose, and then click on the sign in button. That's the long blue button. Otherwise, you can use the SSO, or you can use your Google account or your Facebook account to log into Zoom. This bypasses the process of having to use the email address and password. But how do you get the email address and password? You first of all start by doing a sign up. If you don't already have a Zoom account, you go to this orange button and you click on sign up. As it says, it's free. It will ask you to verify your date of birth, and then you type that in and continue. You select the right ones and continue, and it will create an account for you. I already have an account, so let's go back to sign in. And in my account, I use my Google account to sign into Zoom. So let's click on that and click on my account. And it's as simple as that. It takes me directly into Zoom on my web browser.